Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about a great website and a program called Should I Remove It? Windows users have to struggle with bloated computers loaded with a bunch of software, and the unfortunate thing is most of you users out there don't know how to use it or remove it, or you just don't know what that program is. Well, luckily, this great website, Should I Remove It, along with its program, will help you identify those programs that you need to remove from your computer. It will also help you identify programs so that you know exactly what it is that they're doing. We're going to switch screens like we always do, take a look at Should I Remove It, and find out how you can make your desktop computer and your laptop computer run nice and smooth. Switch screens here, and there is Should I Remove It. Should I Remove It can be found at shouldIRemove.com. You can go to the website. From its homepage, you can download the free program scanner, but you can also browse by going under Programs, like I'm clicking here, to find out what some of the most common programs on your computer are. One of the things before we go further with this website is that it's a free program, and it's one of those websites that is highlighted with ads. A lot of ways that people who develop websites for free is to have certain advertisers post links on their page. So when we get to the portion where you want to download this program, I will show you the correct area to click on so that you don't accidentally download something that you shouldn't. Now back to our regularly scheduled program, let's go to look at the most common programs that are listed on Should I Remove It. So one of the first things that you can see in this list is Adobe Air. Adobe Air is a commonly known program, and it lets you know exactly what Adobe Air does. So if you see that running on your program or in a list of your program files, you know exactly what Adobe Air is. Same thing with Google Chrome. And another great thing about these apps is that you can give it a star rating to let other people know that is a good legitimate program. Same thing with the Google Toolbar, Microsoft Security Essentials, Microsoft Visual Studio, iTunes, Bonjour, and the list goes on of different programs that are listed. The other thing that you can do with Should I Remove It is to actually download the software so that you can see what stuff is installed on your computer. So there's a link here where you can click on download free. So this link is set to remove or set to download. So if we click on this, it'll take us to the download page. Now the thing that you have to be careful with Should I Remove It are the ads. Now normally with ads on the website you can tell when you get a link that says sponsored link. So if I click here, it's not going to let me download a legitimate program. However, if I click down here, download Should I Remove It, then it will take me to the actual legitimate download of the site. One other thing I want to show you before we go to the app is if we click on the home page, if you scroll down a little on the toolbar, it will show you which brand of computer has what's called quote unquote manufacturer bloatware. Now, bloatware is just a funny word or a cute word for software that is just taking up a lot of room on your computer. As you can see, Toshiba leads the pack, followed by Sony, Lenovo, then Dell. And finishing out the list is HP, Acer, Asus, and then Acer. So you can kind of choose which computer to get that's going to have the less amount of pre-installed software on it. You can also go through the list too and see some of the most active programs that are used on most computers. Programs that can be removed, like Coupon Printer for Windows, Popcorn Time, which is actually pirated software, Free Download Manager, Norton Security Scan, and the list goes on and on. Now, if you want to see what is on your computer, you can go to the cute, sad face question mark app, Should I Remove It? And there is the program. So if you go on, after you install the program, Should I Remove It? It will scan your computer and it will let you know what you currently have installed. The great thing about this program is that you can definitely install from this list. So it tells me that on my computer I have 65 programs installed. I can go through the list and look at the ratings according to should I remove it if it's a legitimate program, and will actually also tell you the removal percent. So if according to this, 65% of the people have actually removed this program. So it's kind of a red flag to let you know that you need to probably take that program off of your computer. Other things that you can see on the computer, you can go by the ratings, you can look at the removal percentage, but it kind of gives you an idea of which programs you've got on your computer. Now, let's say that you want to actually remove a program. Let's go with Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. Currently not using this program right now. So let's say I found my Malwarebytes, which is a malware remover, and I want to remove it. I can just click on Uninstall, and it will definitely go to the Windows installer and uninstall that program for me. Now, again, if you have a Windows-based computer and you think you have a bunch of junk software on there, you can definitely go to should I remove it, download the installer, and then remove the program. So another program that I might want to move is this Movavi Screen Capture Studio. I can click on uninstall. It asks me, do I want to uninstall the program? I would hit yes, and after a few minutes, it will take me to the actual uninstaller for the program, and it will take that software off of my computer. Now, if you have the website up, or it will pop up a website from Movavi begging me to come back, that I can close out and get back to should I remove it. So if you're struggling with which programs to take off your computer because you're running low on space, or you just want to de-junkify your computer, check out Should I Remove It? A great utility for Windows-based computers and a great website that you can go to in order to keep your computer clean. But remember, if you visit the website, make sure that you don't fall victim for the ads that are on the side of the website, encouraging you to download specific apps that are help funding the website. So check it out. As always, if you have comments or questions, leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you to find out what tech tip videos that you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel at Burton Kelso on YouTube, or you can subscribe to Integral and check out our videos there. You can also check us out on social media. We're all over all the social media channels, sharing tips that are going to help you get more enjoyment out of the technology that you use day to day. So folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.